Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream using ingredients from your garden. Imagine the vibrant flavors of fresh berries or fragrant herbs in your homemade dessert. We'll cover selecting the best produce, preparing it for the ice cream base, and the simple freezing process. Get ready to enjoy a truly farm-to-table sweet treat that's both refreshing and incredibly satisfying. It's easier than you think. Selecting the right ingredients is key to amazing garden ice cream. Look for fruits at their peak ripeness, bursting with natural sugars. For a unique twist, consider infusing herbs like lavender or rosemary into your cream base. Remember to gently wash all your freshly picked produce to remove any garden soil or small critters. Proper preparation ensures the purest, most delicious flavor in every scoop.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these tips helpful for your garden ice cream adventures, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after you've harvested all those amazing garden ingredients, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your fresh produce or even your finished ice cream. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your garden ingredients are ready, it's time to create the ice cream base. This usually involves blending your prepared fruits or infusing your herbs into a mixture of heavy cream, milk, and sugar. A gentle simmer helps dissolve the sugar and allows the flavors to fully develop. After cooking, it's crucial to chill the base thoroughly, ideally for several hours, before moving to the churning step. Now for the exciting part, churning. Transfer your well-chilled ice cream base into your ice cream maker. Follow your machine's specific instructions, but generally, it will churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it resembles a thick, soft serve. Then, transfer this delightful creation into an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours to achieve that perfect scoopable texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.